with stakeholders from northeastern states on the Citizenship Amendment Bill yesterday. Sources said that the government may exempt the northeast states that have the inner line permit regime from the Citizenship Amendment Bill. Exemption of such regions in northeast states, which come under the 6th schedule of the Constitution, is also under consideration as per media reports. Polling is underway in 13 constituencies spread across 6 districts of Jharkhand in the first phase of assembly polls today. The polling began at 7 a.m. Over 37 lakh electorate who are eligible to exercise their franchise will decide the electoral fortune of 189 candidates, including 15 women candidates in the first phase of assembly elections, a media report said. A culvert on Gamla-Lohardaga border was blown up by Maoists today, soon after the voting began in the first phase of polls in Jharkhand. However, no casualty was reported and election officials claimed that the poll process was unaffected by the incident, as per media reports. A one-day national conference on science and technology for society with a subtopic Kumang 2019 was held today at the Department of Chemistry, DM College of Science, Imphal. The conference was jointly hosted by Kanglei Khongyang Thinjin and DM College of Science Chemistry Department. Wangjing Subdivision Office of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited was inaugurated today. Volunteers of Anti-Drug Committee Kairang Komidok under Khaibeisoi of Imphal East caught 4 drug users along with heroin from a local close to Changya Lekai of Imphal East last afternoon. The volunteers later destroyed the seized heroin and the drug abusers were handed over to their families. Some unidentified miscreants allegedly set ablaze piles of paddy stacked in a field in Tera Khongsabi area of Bisnupur district late last night, according to a report. The reason behind the incident is yet to be ascertained. The Youth Department of Rongwei Naga Baptist Association Center Church Imphal today organized a one-day blood donation cum awareness camp on the theme Observing the Season of Love and Giving at the Blood Bank of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal. More than 20 members of RNBA CCI Tarung donated blood in the camp. Suraj Gorkha of 5th Jammu and Kashmir Rifles Tulihal Company has distributed 10 sewing machines to the women folk of Malom Tuliyaima this morning. A convicted Islamist terrorist who spent part of his teens in Pakistan and released last year from a UK prison is suspected to be the man who stabbed 2 people to death in a terror attack on London Bridge yesterday. According to a media report, police has identified the suspect as 28-year-old Usman Khan, inspired by the ideology of Al-Qaeda terror group. Was previously sentenced to 16 years in prison term for his role in the London Stock Exchange bombing in 1990. A friendly volleyball match was played between 43rd Assam Rifles, More and Myanmar Army 266 LIR at the latter's camp this morning. 43 Assam Rifles Commandant Sumit Sood, Major Ankit Sharma also participated in the friendly match.